Ire Lazarov. 10% talent. 20% naporna работа. I 70% voda. Пелистарка. 100% живот.
Пред 8 години Тунис беше последниот домаќин на едно светско првенство во ракомет, а да не доаѓа од Европа. Време е за нов предизвик. Време е за првото светско првенство кое што не е во зима, туку во лето. Можете да направите прекрасен аранжман, да поминете 10 до 14 дена на одмор во Катар, и тоа само во еден град, во Доха. За прв пат светското првенство ќе се одржи во 4 арени кои што се на дистанца од 2 километри. За прв пат првенството ќе биде со 24 репрезентации сместени во еден ист хотел. За прв пат ќе има еден специјален хотел дури и за навивачите. Дали Македонија ќе биде дел од Мондијалот во Доха, ќе дознаеме по одигрувањето на баражни преварите наредната година. А до тогаш ние мора максимално да се подготвиме, бидејќи Доха 2015 може да не однесе во олимписките квалификации за Рио 2016. Еве како по подпишаниот договор, промоцијата на овој настан ја прикажа првиот човек на ИХФ и првиот човек на организациониот комитет. Mr. President, next World Cup in Qatar will be the best in the handball history.
Yes, we hope so that, and we are, I think, ready. We start working from now, and I think we have less than 2 years now, 1 year, 11 months, I think, and everybody is ready. Government, Qatar Handball Federations, our committee, all things is under control, I think.
That will be the first World Cup in summer and first World Cup in only one town.
Yes, it will be in one town, in one place, and all hotels, all arenas close to each other, and weather will be very nice, 25, 26 degree, sometime 18, not like here, it's pretty cold, but I think it will be fantastic.
Mr. President, you're a big fan of Macedonian handball. In the last few years, we have big results in all the competition, but our best win is the passion for the handball. Our fans is spectacular. What do you think about Macedonian handball generally?
First of all, thank you very much for the interview. At the meantime, we missed Macedonian team in this tournament after they already lost the last match. At Macedonia in our heart. I like Macedonia. I like Macedonia team. I like the delegations. I like the players because it's very important. Macedonia, yes, it's a small country, but very big heart for handball. This is why we appreciate what you are doing for handball in Macedonia.
What do you think about the next World Cup? Qatar is the best choice. Probably that will be the best World Cup in handball history.
We hope, because you know that since 2007 it was in Germany, 2009 Croatia, and 11 it was in Sweden, and then now in Spain, 4 times in Europe. And we have, in between, we have to go outside one time, and then at the meantime, as you see now, that they are challenge the Qataris to have the best World Championship. And I hope that with your help and your support, because you are media, to have the best World Championship already in the press today. In time it's very cold in Europe, and at the meantime also it's in Qatar it's very nice weather, and it's between 20, 21, such thing like this. It means I'm sure that a lot of people like to come to attend, and they are working to have a package for the flight and the accommodation and the ticketing for to watch the tournament. And we are working with them to have a good price for this package also.